A jackal was very hungry. As he was looking for food, he saw a dead elephant. He was happy that he had found food. But there was a problem. The jackal knew that the skin of the elephant would be too thick for his teeth. So, he wanted someone to make a cut in the skin of the dead elephant. But he did not want to share its flesh. Just then a lion came, and the clever jackal said,
I was guarding this elephant for you to taste. Please have a bite.
But the lion said,
No. I kill the animals myself, and then eat them, and not the already dead ones.
Saying this, the lion walked away. Then a tiger came there. The jackal was afraid that the tiger might eat the whole elephant. The jackal said,
I am looking after this elephant because I don't want anyone to eat it.
The tiger walked to the elephant to eat it. Now the jackal was worried. The jackal said,
Stop, please. A hunter had killed this elephant with a poison arrow. Those who eat its flesh will also get poisoned.
That scared the tiger, and he quickly went away. Then 2 vultures came, and the jackal told the same thing to them. The vultures also flew away. Then the jackal was happy that no one had taken away the dinner he had kept for himself. But he still needed the thick skin of the elephant to be cut before he could eat the flesh of the elephant. Then a leopard came by. The clever jackal said,
This elephant was killed by a lion who has gone to get his family to eat it.
The leopard said,
Oh! Then El should not have his dinner, or he will be very angry with me.
The jackal then said,
Don't worry. I am your friend. I will help you.
The leopard asked.
But how?
The jackal replied,
I will keep a watch. You can have a bite of the elephant. When I see the lion coming back, I will tell you, and then you can run away from here.
How nice of you,
said the leopard, and started biting the skin. When the jackal saw that the skin of the elephant had been cut by the leopard, he shouted,
The lion is coming!
The leopard left the dead elephant and ran away. This was what the jackal had wanted. The skin of the elephant had been cut by the leopard's sharp teeth. Now the jackal had his dinner and enjoyed the flesh for many days.